Hey guys, this is Nick from forexnoobs.com with the weekly analysis for week starting the 16th of September 2012. You're looking at a EUR-USD 4-hour chart. In today's analysis, we're going to take a look at a few areas of support and resistance. These areas can hold up price, and they can also be great for trading reversals. So let's take a quick look at some of the areas we looked at last week. Last week we looked at this area here, and if I remember correctly, this area here, or maybe not this one, but anyway, as you can see, when price came up to here last week, it got stuck along this level for quite a while. Then it came up to here, it got stuck here for a little bit, then it came up to here, and eventually it bounced from here towards the end of the week. So you can see these areas are quite effective. So let's check out the areas for this coming week. We'll start with the alongside the resistance areas, the ones up top. Okay, our first resistance area is this one here. It spans between the 131.30 to the 131.50. Now this is quite a strong area. It's where price got held up at the end of last week. It has acted quite well in the past as an area of resistance and support, and it seems like the bulls right now are struggling to break through this area. So we could see a reversal from this area. It's too early to tell, but we'll see how it goes. I will not be trading a bearish reversal from this area. Ideally, I would want price to come down first, then come back up here, and then I'd be willing to take a bearish reversal trade if indecision forms on this area as per my trading strategy, which is linked to below. Okay, so let's look at the next area of resistance. The next area is the 1.3240 through to the 1.3260. So that's up here. Now this is quite a strong area. It has a lot of good history. Price has bounced away from it quite strongly in the past. So this week I'll be looking to take bearish reversal trades. So if price comes up here and we get signs of indecision, I'll be looking to take some short trades as per my trading strategy. There are definitely sellers grouped up here, so watch out if you're in a long position. You might consider exiting at this level, or exiting part of your position, or tightening stop losses or something like that. The main point is there are sellers grouped in this area, so you need to watch out here. Okay, if that area breaks, if the buyers make it through that area, our next area of resistance is the 133.60 through to the 133.80, which is up here. Now again, this is a pretty strong area, has some good history, and much like the previous area, if price comes up here, I'll be looking for signs of indecision, so I can take a bearish reversal trade as per my trading strategy. And again, there are sellers grouped up here, so watch out for that. I've got no areas above this one, but I'll probably update the analysis during the week if price reaches up here. Now let's look at support, so that's the short side. For support this week, we have the 1.300 through to the 1.3030. This is a relatively strong area of support. It held price up very briefly last week, but in the past it's held price up quite significantly. So there are definitely buyers in this area. They're going to want to push the price up. So if the bears come down to here, I'll be looking for signs of indecision as per my trading strategy. I'll be looking to take a bullish reversal trade. Below that we have the 1.2900 through to the 1.2930 here. Now this area worked very, very well last week. It held price back for quite a while, as you can see here. So I wouldn't be surprised if it works well again this week. There are definitely going to be buyers grouped down in this area. So if price comes down to here, I'll be looking for signs of indecision as per my trading strategy, and I'll be looking to take some bullish reversal trades. If you're in a bearish trade, you might want to consider exiting here or tightening your stop losses, exiting part of a position. There's definitely buyers here, so watch out. We'll take a look at one more area. Below that, we have the 1.2800 through to the 1.2820. Again, this was quite a significant area recently. Price came up and it bounced along it for quite some time. And also in the past, this area has been quite significant. So I'll definitely be looking for some bullish reversal trades. If the bears reach down to here, signs of indecision as per my trading strategy, looking to take some bullish reversal trades. And same story, there's buyers grouped in this area, So if you're in a short trade, watch out for this area. Now that about wraps it up for the EUR-USD analysis. Let's take a quick look at USD-CAD. Okay, USD-CAD will start with resistance again. Above the current price level, we have a resistance area here. It spans between the 0.9740 and the 0.9755. It did kind of act as an area of resistance last week. Price bounced away from here. It came down below it, and then it kind of stalled a bit and tried to break up through here, and then it had to break back below it, but it struggled again. So it did act as an area of both support and resistance last week, and in the past it's acted quite well as an area of support and resistance. So I will be looking to take some bearish reversal trades from here. There's definitely sellers grouped in this area, so if price comes up here, I'll be looking for signs of indecision. Be looking to take a short reversal trade as per my trading strategy. Above that we have the 0.9790 through to the 0.9810 here. Now again, this is a significant area of resistance, acted well as support recently here. Price tried to come back through it but didn't manage it, and it does have a nice history too. So if bulls come up to here, I'll be looking to take a bearish reversal trade as per my trading strategy. There's definitely sellers here, so watch out for any long positions you are in. Now let's take a quick look at the short side. So for support we have the 0.9670 through to the 0.9690 here. This is a pretty significant support area, but it got broken pretty easily last week. We do have one candle here, but other than that, it got broken quite easily. Then price came back up through it quite easily. As you see, the bulls just carved straight through this area. So I'm not too confident with this area. It is an area of support. There's probably sellers grouped down here, but I won't be looking to take any bullish reversal trades from it. So let's look a little bit lower than that. Below this level, we have the 0.9580 through to the 0.9600, which is here. Now this area of support has not been hit in quite a while, so it's hard to say how strong it is, but in the past it's acted very well as both support and resistance, so I will be looking to take some bullish reversal trades. If price drops down to here, I'll be looking for buyers to enter the market because there's probably buyers grouped in this area. I'll be looking for buyers to enter the market, signs of indecision. I'll be looking to take a bullish reversal trade as per my trading strategy. Below that we have the 0.9500 through to the 0.9520. Now this is another area of support that hasn't been hit in a long time, so it's really hard to judge how many buyers there are grouped down here. But in the past it's acted as both support and resistance quite well, so I'm going to assume there's buyers down here, and I'll be looking to take some bullish reversal trades if price comes down to here. So I'll be looking for signs that buyers are entering the market, indecision, and I'll be looking to take a bullish reversal trade. So that pretty much wraps it up for the weekly analysis this week. There's quite a few strong areas of support and resistance on both USD-CAD and EUR-USD, so watch out for those areas and have a great trading week.